창문이야. 시르들이 쇼와 샵지도 한들이 아니 다른 공도 쉬는 신기 가수다 공도 쉬베 초선한 장도 지 밀레레베 남탈레 최네 아는 아주 좀 무기 대바스거다 무기 쓰거래 대바도 무기 꼴이야 네甚至于听不起学校去学习
So first, good afternoon, and once again, warm greetings to all of you. And in continuing with the discussion on the life story of Milarepa, or for that matter, related to the life story of Milarepa, earlier I was mentioning the important role of confidence, or faith, and devotion. So maybe I will share with you some thoughts along the line of faith or confidence and devotion.
지단다 지주 밀레제베기 아니 남타르나로리아 공기 달라마 마르 제네 달라마 마바치 라마르 템바니 송제 지단 라마 마베기 콘리아 가슈에 참경 시라마나체 지 가슈에 바지 가견당 다나신기 에너지 가제 망부지 나주 근데 이미냐 밀레베게 토리아 참섬 지 가슈다 다디 같이 라만들의 닌지메 라만 닌지메바 인당 야나 나랑 가르쳐에 디버체타바 인당 간제이나 사마로 든데다가 건들 시스템이야 가서 앞셋 사마로 다지 로팜다 이체르데 깨버데 이베는 자외 차네 에는 가서 라마 마발라마 때야디 자외 차는 르 마당을 지방 라로고 잡아디 자외 차네 고 가르쳐지 템버시지에도 또 심이 인주사네 다 든데지 용고야디 조디 공기다 라마 마르발이야 다 대바 템버스네 장도 무기 규모메인 바지여봐 텔레 땡체 충분히 바지 아주 든데지 듯이 겨우야 알았어
So ever since Milarepa became connected with Marpa, and therefore approaching him and going for guidance, Marpa was never known to have sort of treated him, at least in appearance, warmly or seemingly in a very kind and affectionate ways. In fact, Marpa was on the other hand known for treating him rather harshly and that putting him through all kinds of hardship, so much so, even in the minds of somebody so sort of strong as Milarepa, it said that there are times that it occurred in Milarepa's mind that could it be possible that my teacher lacks in his kindness or compassion, or could it be because of the great degree of my harmful activities, sort of the baggage of my negativities, that is the reason for being put through such sort of harsh and hardship. And so there were probably a number of times that Milarepa got upset and even sometimes quite disheartened. But nevertheless, since the moment of the connection with Marpa until the complete fulfillment of the goal, Milarepa never gave up on Marpa. Or for that matter, Milarepa never sort of stopped from going ahead, continuing to still pursue this bond or relationship. So what is read from this more commonly is that it is the result of the tremendous, unwavering devotion of Milarepa to Marpa that was sort of the backbone, or that was the main cause that the Milarepa sort of to withstand all the situations. So if that was so, then what does devotion really entail, and what does it mean?
안드네 지단다 pyugyu namba sangye ba somarwe pyugye nangdian da pyugyu namba sangye begi da gashwe da dos la ro pyugyu namba sangye begi jidanda nyamlen cha sanan dang pyugyu nangdian di kashi mangbuchi samlen nalo ya ji sanga de jibo ma do medebe social de samtang di already imbine ngwe ni chu tholya pyugyu namba sangye ba di ji tiwa sungge gi deba yosu zoba dusi nyamlen chebe ko imbine tiwa sungge gi chö yosu zoba ro chi nyamle dus nang ga re de ibi inza andi ta tin pyugyu namba sangye be gi da 튜무 뭐 이게 계주세요. 자도 도나 가사지기 줄이야. 티고숨 게메도 냠술래야. 여버지당 대안지 가주에 다 로진기 장데 좌야 되지. 그지 좌야 되지. 그게 나가 상급이 계주세요. 자도 나 고랑 그 튜무 뭐 저당로 두지 요래. 다 디나네 자 상하 냠레 남베 거리야. Lama sadi 계속 차도 안 해요. lama 계속 이제 지대가 안 해. 다들 지용도 사네. 다들 지용도 사 별해야지. 라마디 계속 제자 지 베베기 남아 상게 발해야지. 라마에 출루스. 데스 민단에 충분해. 강다리안디 가서다. 라마 대버치야 들이야. 지금 김제나 데즈 시작한데 계속 스타일이샤 대아지 라마라야베 상계고 이게 두시샤 상계는 잡으러 지지 가서 가지고 다만 두시를 두 송게 느껴서 저 요리 안에 다디 거베 견스 하고 그래서 마다 베게 그거 준전에서 하마 왔지 더가서 아니 람 로스여를 계시 치비나 지잖아 되게야 아 가서에 년가 세란다도 야나 저 강에 섬시바 님들이 되겠어 그거就是相关的课程不是
In general, Buddhism presented or taught through the Tibetan tradition, the Tibetan Buddhist tradition, even though sort of general perception has that in the tradition of Buddhism as presented through the Tibetan tradition is Buddhism presented through the Tibetan tradition is the secret Mantrayana. And in reality, that is not so. In reality, the Buddhism as presented through the Tibetan tradition is the integration of the three yana vehicles. And both in terms of the philosophy as well as practice. And in fact, if you were to talk about the distinct characteristic or feature of Buddhism presented through the Tibetan tradition, that is the integration of the three yanas. So both in terms of philosophical presentation as well as stages of path of practice. So that is important to understand because this is a matter of fact, and to think or to have the notion that the Buddhism presented through the Tibetan tradition is exclusively that of the Vajrayana or the Mantrayana is obviously not so, not true. Then, as Buddhism presented through the Tibetan tradition, there is a great emphasis on the important role of the Lama, or that of the spiritual master, and significant and important role of, and so in this way that to the outside world, in a way, when there is a lot of emphasis on the important role of the spiritual master in the form of the Lama, and this is also oftentimes sort of put forth that emphasizing the importance of the teachings presented by the so-called Buddhist teachings presented by the Tibetan Lama, so sometimes even known as the Lama's sort of religion or Lamaism, and but in reality it has more to do with the importance of the role of spiritual tradition. So in that the role of the spiritual master or the Lama is important. If one can appreciate it, that one can begin to find out that for one as a practitioner, the Lama is as important as the Buddha, or is that the Lama is the same as the Buddha. So in that way, and appreciating that view or that pure view about the Lama. And so, since the role of the spiritual master or the Lama is important, obviously it makes all the more sense. Why? So what is the main reason why the role of the spiritual master or the Lama is important? Because we can't afford to leave it to the notion that this must be something cultural, something sort of customary. And so if we think it's a matter of just simply culture or custom, and so then that could, in a way, sort of that notion could be dangerous, and so therefore, and also could cause harm and confusion.
Lama Sadi Yagelya and Guru Sadi, Tarambe, Tegar Sanadrado, that Tigi Kashwe, Tendardi, Yagelya, Guru Sadana. Jezangazu Jagala, Lamas Jet, Sipiju Tambale, Guru Sad, Sipiju Tambina, Sicin Samia, what's her? Shema the Lama Lama Sudizanti, Tajido, Daji, Pebeki, Lama, some of the Marble Quending here of Chi, Bonaru Shadow, they demare, Gurus or they insa, the church in there, Sangi Jumdin de Guruba. And they understand Sangi Jumdin de Temba insa, Lame Temba, Lame Zim, Lame Marik Hemdo, Lame Zimsana. That when Gurugi Chulusana, Tado, Sangi Jumdin de Lamare, Tig Chulu Jinza. That did good scale, Mata, only the woman says, and Lama is to do sana. Mashi Google na Lamas Lama, Flo Abrigagi, Rajua, take what they own. Lamas Sergeant, Flo Abrigagi, Flo Amiragidua, Rags or Chickens, they timid Lamas go, Lamas, Lama Raskis, Yuendengi, Tandala. Guru Sam, Lama Sadi, Yuendengi Chiwa. Heavy summer, Jigota Village. Then a Shingdon Vigilia, Dribu Lodo, Manguevina, and Diva Sigma, Yagadma, Kashma, Tembes of Chichi, or Jigota Village, only order, or the Dirich. Dribu Chiwar, Shingdon Bena, Dribu Champion, Dribu Tadi of Delia, Tosma, Cartway, Kukuchi Delia, this which Yuende, Chiwa, Yuende, Capital of Hawaii Deva, that literally Lamas. Donna Sangijum din there, a Lamasana, Gurusana, the Charlie. Just Sangijum din Diki Debati, Mazuki. That's what it is. What is it? Tempeshamda.
The Lama is Tibetan word, and the Tibetan word Lama is seems to be the direct translation from the Sanskrit word Guru, and so maybe it is better actually instead of Lama we say Guru, and maybe that it is more appreciated in the context of what it means, because maybe when we say Lama, probably people might think it has something to do exclusively with those red-robed ones. And among them, the Lama is relevant, and so most maybe from that point of view. Anyway, that Lama is the spiritual guide, spiritual master. So from that point of view, even if we refer to Lama, we refer to the Buddha as Lama, there is no contradiction, no conflict. Buddha is the Guru in the truest sense of the word, the Lama, the perfect teacher. And so if understood properly, the point is, if understood properly, whatever name is given is not that important. And for instance, call it Lamaism and call it Lama or Guru or whatever, but without understanding, based on misconceptions, then attaching label and taking them as being what it is. That's where the issue for confusion or therefore the danger rises. So then, of course, maybe Lama is not obviously very established word in that if you Google, for instance, for Lama, and what it seems to appear is that some Latin American animal and called Lama, and so but anyway, so there is another kind of Lama too there too, but Lama, translation of which in Sanskrit is Guru, literally means weighty, and that means that the sort of the greatness, the weight, sort of in terms of giving some kind of weight idea to qualities, the enormity of the quality, the profundity of the quality carries such incredible sort of weight in the way of respect and to be acknowledged. So weighty, and sometimes when we talk about some trees with abundance of fruits, and so it is weighed down by its abundance of fruits and sort of the branches and bending down, and so weighed by the fruit that it carries. So along the same line, that the great profundity, sort of the greatness of the qualities that is embodied by the spiritual master from that point of view.
제장 아주 라마데 행동을 집에 행동 간부 진짜지 많이비지 행동 드불런답게 돼봐 아니지 드부기베 축부에 돼봐 대한배 드부축체다 마지 거주 구구를 제대해서 지워요 근데요 소리다 아주 이게 다 통나는지 이미지네이션도 제빈다 근데요 소리 다들 루지 다 간다야 아주 삼을 찍단 거야 가르쳐나 아주 삼려 나로래 상계에 세두잖아 삼삼 배 가수배 지 자한다 체차지 베게 가수배 다 지셰셰 두사배 바지 삼지미제 루유로 마상 바르 지셰셰 두사네 삼자 러중서 잘하셔도 미톨로지 사마네 다 러중서 미톨로지 레베데 다 러중서 지다지 우마 상계디 돈이동 앞에 건이야 야가래야 배 아주 아주 민나신 좋아미 수리야全些 오늘 제가 아주 능신기 아주다지 봐 미세사 미그그 정말로 미기세사 미그그 다 들리지 걸리버지 제한적에서 스타트 성기 미디어 밖에 쉽지셰셰도 사네 다티 상계된 아주 타르로 동고여다 타니로 동고여 이 초와로디 대하고 하면도 초진의 상계디 이제 계주셔야 돼요 요아르디 이해비네야 따고 가셔야 간다지 상계디 미 수수페버들 거버를 줘야래 아주 딘디지 가셔야 삼동화의 계집을 자리도 계디 상계디 대링기 뒤름이 있어지면 니토리아 페비나 아주 통나라야 상계 컨디션 통고요 파지 아주 통나라 상계디 다 아주 기시에는 지들이 섬기 미겨봐도 가서 딘디지 아주 제도야 가라하고 면도서 다 간다 아주 통수열에 다 간다 지 미상보를 기보다 다가서 상보 개발도 봐봤는데 대점마다베 아주 주일에 나와서 아주 통통 말아봐 네인비스단에 진짜 섬동과의 계획을 잘했다. 제가 라마의 상계 루시 샤사디 계획을 가르쳐야 되었으나 계획신이 진행이 되면지 예외이나 다들 같이 상계 지구를 잘 해야 했어. 수수 상계 뇌 제비네 퍼지 계획이 진이 되면 될 하지 다다 아주 될 나오지 이제 들어서는 거 합시다. 제자 다다 제 되면 될야 상계 능신 야 상계 생기 될 자체지 집에 这个他提透过都但你这个人都上上了去，真的没有去。我他大个人呀，这个他说，技术给不了，这这个，有些下去，得了呀个第一站呢，我这个原点连过来的，也是不是他的差的多少，都是这样。
So, in general, it would be in one's interest to appreciate the Lama or the Guru as someone who's highly endowed with all the qualities, all the knowledge, like using the example of the tree which is that's rich with the fruit and sort of the branch and leaves bending down, that carrying that load of the weight of the fruit. So in this way, qualities. In any event, now, when we talk about the Buddha, on one hand, the kind of the notions, the concepts that we have of the Buddha and the way we talk about the Buddha is something sort of beyond totally. And we have the ideas Buddha is something inconceivable, something sort of, beyond one's mind. And the more we begin to talk about the Buddha becomes some kind of mythological sort of divinity or entity that, apart from mythology, the reality of, actually the Buddha becomes sort of questionable. And so it deserves a good thought that this way of approaching the Buddha, whether it takes us further away from the Buddha or brings us closer to the Buddha, more likely that it takes us further away from the Buddha. That Buddha is so much so that is more and more unreachable and more beyond thoughts, and so might as well sort of kind of give up on it. And whereas in reality, over 2,500 years ago, that the Buddha was born as a human being and that lived in the human world among human beings, ate human food, wore human clothes, and so on. So in this way, that we need to realize sometimes the kind of concept, to some extent, the lofty ideas that we have and the great way in which we want to supplicate the Buddha, maybe it has a place, but if we take that sort of angle alone, then it's not so sure whether it's taking us further away from the Buddha or closer to the Buddha. And so in this way, that we probably should appreciate the fact that the Buddha was born as a human being and appeared in a human form. And to bring that to sort of reality has an important place. For instance, if the Buddha is among us in this 21st century, and I doubt whether we'll be able to see the Buddha in the way we normally describe the Buddha. That probably at the best we will see the Buddha as a good human being, maybe an exceptionally good human being. And that we won't see the Buddha as anything beyond our imagination, because what we are faced with is something that doesn't go beyond our imagination. And so sort of what we have to appreciate what we see. And so in this way, if the Buddha is with us presently in the 21st century, and we can only see as the Buddha as a good human being, then when have the opportunity to relate to a good spiritual master, then it might make sense that we appreciate this connection as being equally with the Buddha. Because we really, even if we see the Buddha, we can't see beyond a good human being. And all the qualities and all the sort of glorious attributes, more likely we will not be able to see or perceive. And that we are not at the stage where we have sort of divine outlook and have the visions of divinities and what have you. So what we have is a realistic sort of human relationship. And so from that point of view, to be able to relate to where we are and to appreciate that. And so then, that if you are able to appreciate the qualities of good teacher that we have, and that qualities and sort of the benefit that we receive, and then being able to see that as the Buddha is realistically more in our interest or benefit, then to create imaginations of a Buddha that in reality we can't sort of strike a chord with.
That is the movie share Kolia. That never said, movie said, forget it. Senior, never the Kubasas. Never said. 딱 가서 longing 다 간다는데 매번 쓰듯하는 질이야 가서야지 수수 당화해야 돼봐 따뜻이 총나 선선으로 들리지게 대바심 시다야 돼봐 따뜻이 어디 매번 써야 돼 대바도 매번 대바시 버릇이야 딱 그거 쓰듯하는 딱 그거 써야 돼 들어가서 가서야지 셈이야 지 들이야 가서야 셈기 매바점 많이 봐. 류다 나가 토리야. 간다르 류나기 넘규르스난다도 류나기 자외 토리야. 오늘 가수에다 간다르 봐. 오늘세 되베도 안에 거를 가수야지. 자와차. 다들 인도서 무규르사디. 다 구바사디 가수에. 제가 대발에 뜻 무규르 쇼셔야 되면 로서서 그렇다. 간다 매바사디 오늘 그 대바섬으로 매바사디 소수지 네바지 예바시 대 톱에 된도 소수 융아 이숨디 아니 가가를 가셔야지 퐁바메바사난다 팡바메바바 디 초리야 동아 려동차 리지 그바스가 돼 제가 밀레레버를 차샤위는 따디 창되다 그러나 미지나로 네 오늘 전에 초응을 토리야 이 초와도 오늘 주문은 가서 담보 미세 디버사 인상 따딘 겨바심 버시 위께제 따디 디버디 시아나만 짠 주마서 디바송스 다 겨바제마다 삼도하면서 디버지 샤마도 제장 디버샤 천딜이야지 상게야 특히 뭐종은 저거 민도 삼바르지 텔레베 오늘 전에기 가서 단도 이시를 쉽게 텔레 상게 공부 토야 더버를 쉬지 딱 간다 마지 까메를 스타트리 충분해 다들 인도산 뒤쳐서 소소하게 룽아에서 가르치 러령 차고 충분이네 다 제약이 고라지 가르어요 닝도산한다도 눈바 때문에 되도 주시려고 다 인베는 나랑 소름지 차샤위면 든지기 초앙을 토려야 든지기 가르어야지 밀레레는 난신지 가서 무규기 손안 띵 사물을지 바자 띵 사물을지 중매의 인상 아주 차스는 바임 상계 공부사디 얘는 컨디지면 하고 말라 지 상계 공부한데 아다 톰네 야고도 마톰네 개체사 말해서 그러지 칸에 시리요 말은 코어네 버지 들려도 되는 겁니다 직보르지 다 간다 sen 디기 대연 론지도 다 개체 대수 마도 드림도 섬 상해 고마자데 다 레드네를 직 가서 레를 소차데 하네 제가 디소 제인 비슷하네 다 먹을 사도 벌써 내주십니다 먹을 사도 가서 직접 수치해서 지금 차체하고 지금 셔가 bü지하고 근데 지금 뭐 말해 간다 지 수수 미유를 송제 그래서 공방 토양 시에도 수수 루안 이소 봐 매주샤 마도 지기 bü직직직제 얘네 말 지금 막 떼마지 디 배려와로 고지돼야 되지
Now along the same line and connecting that with the confidence and devotion that I was talking about earlier. The word in Tibetan for devotion is mögyu, and there's 2 syllables. And first one is mö, which is the meaning of longing, sort of yearning, and seeing some sense of clear purpose and yearning for it very strongly and very sort of clearly yearning for it. And then the second syllable gu or guba has that the meaning along with that yearning and that longing, and one is able to actively commit the actions of one's body, speech and mind towards fulfillment of that yearning, sort of engaged the yearning, longing, and so in this way just full participation of one's body, speech and mind, and without reservation towards the fulfillment of the intended purpose. So devotion is the combination of that meaning. And so longing and yearning, that one feels so much so that one is able to put one's body, speech and mind towards fulfilling what one longs for and yearns for. And Milarepa had that intact. He is the true example of somebody who embodied the complete, unwavering devotion. He felt it, and sort of through and through, he felt it. And he had sort of clarified to himself that he has done incredible harmful activities, and having been the cause for the death of so many people, and he felt the repentance fully, wholeheartedly, and if he, by the truth of cause and effect, that if he couldn't engage in sort of definite measures or antidote, that there's no future for him in terms of anything in the way of goodness and well-being. So if like any possibility of good future is completely lost and gone. And so in this way, that towards the purification of whatever defilements accumulated, and towards the fulfillment of the only one purpose, the purpose of complete enlightenment, and that he was willing to make a full involvement, total involvement of his body, speech and mind, which he did so, and then as such that he was able to become triumphant and gain the result. Now in our case, honestly, when it comes to devotion and having the actual feeling of it in our sort of very being, I doubt whether we really have it not. More likely, we don't have it. Sort of we are kind of half-hearted about it. The real sort of the drive, the real feeling probably is not there, certainly not there in a consistent, ongoing way. Probably the picture is more like this, that, well, if I attain Buddhahood, that will be good. If I don't, it seems to be quite all right, you know. Just the way I have sort of things because of the preoccupations or fixations that we have, and so that we have the feeling that as it is, it's not bad. But if one can attain Buddhahood, that will be fine. So once we have this kind of two ways about what might be possible, then obviously that's where we stay. So this motions of going through, for instance, the rituals of going for refuge or doing certain number of prostrations or making some offerings or lighting some incense here and there, and then expecting some kind of gift coming down, and that sort of might lift one up, is obviously not the way to approach. So in this way, that whether we have what it takes in the way of devotion is obviously so. At least we need to ponder, about it more seriously.
That name you say, that is loud, ba. That is one Dumba, never temple check. And that tiki, Karashe, Dumba, never temple ever tolia, Lunga Yisungi Beba, Lunga Yisungi, the Bezer of the Paramachiva, those shabby in Dusana, when it's a Takashwe, Guam, Zikashwe, Chumde, that church, some church on that Chumde Chambro of the Jesha. Just an answer in the dinner, she read. Answer when it's an idea, this is the door. Ming Yamba summer, that Miss Tango than Yamba said, me Yabuda Duja savage, Mid Duja, only tella, only it's a mid Duja. This nice large matters. Go have words, only at a mid Duja. Yina me. Ye, Karas Lautadi. Me Duja only day, Shirashia matters. Miss Sambu Zuma day, Shanasha. Miss Sambu Zuma summer. Me Abu Duja, me Abu Duja only day, Shiamachi. Miss Sambu Zuma day, there's Shanas of the artist. What a song, Tongo Manas. Better chance I win. Karsa Haqua, the Kalakaburisha, Nimbatas. Better chance I win as you Medolia, the Chugab, somewhere. Medolia Chugab. Medolia Chugam, Medor Dabuja, Namju, Denganas. In our Kurgi, Medol Chuga, Chudi, Chutabo. In our music. The Dusane and all good metal, shoot up the do because daddy Miss Sambu in the Namju Dengue, Toronto, got that shoot up lush about this. You know, Miss shoots up with the hammer, watch a metal, shoot gaddy with the mother, shoots up with the Hagu Romanas. These sort of says, Chazang around to Tadachi Carre Miss Sambu in but Lombam Yanaji social and non dream map Lomni. Tindiji Karjureta Tana Sosu Rani, Sosu Kante Ibachi Hamao, Nondusane, that is an answer to Shida, Chadi Usre. A dream Dusan Dickens and Dene, the Ketchi Shudi, ene kashureba rangu rangi shebechi 다들 제과의 개념을 실하는
So in the case of Milarepa, with unwavering confidence and devotion, with the unwavering motivation to commit oneself through one's body and speech wholeheartedly and consistently, and sort of with the resolve, whatever it takes. And having that kind of commitment, having had that kind of resolve, and so Milarepa is therefore known for having the derived sort of or experience, rather the result that he experienced, the very heart of enlightenment and within his lifetime. Now, in our sort of receiving inspirations from such, or in general, as to taking a stock of where things are at, we need to consider certain facts. And like among ourselves as people, we talk about there being wonderfully good people, they're exceptionally good people, and there are also terribly bad people. And but actually we sort of take a closer look at when we know or hear that some people are terribly bad, then we, in a way, know that they are not so dangerous. Because we know that they are like this. But it is the fake good ones that are dangerous. Sort of those who are fake good ones, in appearance playing good, in reality lacking the element, sort of playing in that sense the fake good. As to what that means, what kind of danger it poses, is that, like, when you want to nurture a flower, one of the things you do is, water the flower. And so, you see somebody is pouring water on the flower. And your immediate perception would be, so that's very nice, this person is watering the flower, that means it will contribute towards the flower's growth or protection. But the person looking didn't know that this other person pouring the water was pouring hot water on the flower. And when you put hot boiling water on the flower, it doesn't contribute towards the maintaining or sustaining of that flower. So there are more than often the appearance, so the deceptive aspect is a good, fake good in that sense. But in reality, it is not so. Yet, more importantly, forget about others as to whether they are good or they're bad. It is not clear to ourselves as to, that is, when you ask yourself as to where you're at, how good you are, how bad you are, what are you like, you're not so sure. In reality, where you are in reality. And so that when things are not sort of particularly clear as to where one is, and sort of can therefore be influenced in that sense either way, and so nothing is in a way more harmful or serious than failing to know in reality, at least from the spiritual point of view, failing to know that oneself, failing to know who one is, that one doesn't know who one is.
다 드린 주사는 다 드릴 시에지 다 간다. 지주미르레베 지 남타 게 쳔베 다 간다. 원주 기부 담반는 지 남타르디 아주 더 지주 밀레레바 능신지 다가 능신 지하기 처지도 아주 차상 요마래 이네 제과야 요마래 이베네 공기 다 간다 닝도다 다는 신기 다 준주 다는 是水工那다는是시럽 그래서 이번에 아주 여기 미진하는 이네야 원고 예배제다 아주 다들지 폰이 예배지 민비산에 다들 아주 여기 저 럽션 최고야 지금 다 정말 두고야지 내려는 좀 같이 차대 여러 섬도 등도 드린 주산디 준전 때네 에 가서에 당기 권도 쉬면 나시래 다디지 원주 로규 잠만 봐 다디기 가서에 다지 나한테서는 다도 남타르기 님부르디 다다야네 아주 냠내 채도지다 되는 가서에 라는 답도 드리지 봐 계속 시라는 내 샤이 디젤다 좋아지는 생각서
So in short, be it in the case of life story of Chögyam Milarepa, or for that matter, the life story of any prominent and great masters of the past, obviously we are not able to fully emulate their lives or live our lives like theirs. And in a way, maybe it is not even necessary, and given the context or circumstances. But what we need to appreciate is the what has been the cause of the fulfillment of the visions of these highly enlightened beings, such as the incredible examples of determination by such beings, the perseverance, the consistency of perseverance, and sort of patience and intelligence and wisdom that these incredible beings embodied had. And the recognizing these are qualities we really should yearn for, and we need them. And we need to, for that matter, recognize if anything we are deprived of these qualities. And so therefore, in any of these qualities that one can cultivate would be in one's interest. And so as I mentioned at the very beginning, that when we are going over the life stories of such great beings like Milarepa, that we don't leave it just as a matter of sort of history or stories, and that the essence of their life stories are very much applicable in our lives in many different ways. And so therefore we need to take to heart that to whatever extent one can practically implement any element of such examples, then that will be and a practical approach in that or way of saying that one is inspired by such life stories. So probably better to conclude here and attend to some questions. So His Holiness wants me to go over a few of the questions. Anyway, the first one here is, what are the benefits of being a monastic, wandering yogi versus a householder keeping the ultimate goal of recognizing the mind of enlightenment in mind? And what factors should a practitioner take into consideration when deciding what path to choose, householder or monastic?
What's the benefit? Become an ordinary, being a minister. Yeah. There should be a benefit. Should be some benefit. But not sure. Not sure for these days. That the Gyunzen de Karasana. Mare, that did this. Jidang Janata, Kimber, Rabdu Shunga Kansaji and Kimber Kansaji and Dando. Dan Donna Chunyam, Chego, Chiboreto. Dan Donna Rabdu Shunga di Lunagi Kasreda, she. That is that Tartu Kandarji Rabdu Chunegi, Jinyamle Chag Bena, Ninjung, Chaju Samsaru. That did him Chimbegda, Yamle, Magica Merujua. Yamle Mena, Majena, Sangia, said the Omarda. That immediately Kabaru de Jeda, Rabdu Chunadi, Tönyo, Chawanyuas. Kimbadi, energy to him our Chawama summer. That is Suzuki Kimji Chawa, the Nami Chawama, which you ever check. The Degatone, energy, Chenyam Lechalia, and to Tonada, Telia, Suzuki, and a Kasure. You said Tonalia, but got to purchase and Telia, and Gangesio. That of the Shumara Jimina, and the Jesus Museum, to Shibudi. And Kandaraji Church Yamnature Tamba Yins. Good, good, good. I am designed to Zella, and the Kimbada John Jibuach, and don't sometimes do Chonkashi, Kimberley, Mazza, Mother, Chatoja, and Rain Dusana Tadi Kasure Tadi Unesita did and I mean, Tadi. Rabdu Chunga Zamshigi, and the Jeko Pentoyama, the Kalakapshare, Daim Zozo di Rabdu Chunza, the Darabdi, Kandara, calling ever Junga San Andrando, Ninjunga Samba, Temple Digi, but you go usare, Nindusanda, Digi, Ninjunga Samba, Demo Tone, and the Rabdu Chunga in Bina, then the Rabdu Chungagi, Tongo Cheverji. You don't cover something that they do to him and something.
essentially, if one is to attain complete enlightenment, then what is required of the individual is the cultivating genuine or authentic altruistic heart and genuine renunciation. And that is necessary both for a lay practitioner, whether it's a householder or a monastic practitioner, that ultimately that these elements bring about the realization of enlightenment. That is through renunciation or revulsion and having cultivated authentic altruistic heart. Now, generally, if one takes up the monastic approach, there should be some benefit. Benefit is, as it is said, that if one follows the monastic path, was more correctly referred to as the path of the renunciate, and so having sort of renounced worldly engagements, and so that means less worldly activities, and therefore one can turn one's the energies or activities, one's body, speech, and mind more fully and to practice of the Dharma. Whereas, the other way around is as a householder, that one would have so many activities to what would be, from worldly terms, practical or useful activities that one need to engage, and therefore, of course, taking up one's time and so forth. So therefore, it would be more in one's interest to have more time to be able to sort of renounce worldly engagements and sort of take to the monastic life. And but of course, given present circumstances, it's also difficult to say that these days sometimes some monastics seems to be more involved in worldly ways than some householders, and more things to do in the world than maybe householders. So if that were the thing, then of course just simply in appearance having followed the monastic path is not sufficient, because in essence what it means to take the monastic life is that to say that one has walked the path of renunciation. So at the center of it is, more than appearance, is renunciation, that one has sort of felt or experienced the futility of the world of samsara, and therefore that wants to renounce the world of futility. So if that were the approach, obviously that there will be a benefit. Sorry, without glasses, I can't read. We are learning about the life of Milarepa, that he was tenacious, never gave up, worked tirelessly in context to my own life. If assuming my perception is right, and that I never gave up and worked hard to the best of my ability, and then never got the desired result, then should I accept it as my destiny? Would it amount to accepting defeat?
다디 가서데 다 가르쳐 다디 얘가 판바사 기지 가면도 간다디 나랑 섬주를 제외입니다 지당기 직den기 나로래야 가르쳐다 그 닝부 예바 사마르 닝부 예베 최질이야 아니 가르쳐 닝부 예베 최질 려마당체 디체도 배주체 디체도 가르쳐 려동체 제외입니다 덴덴지 튜니르 용거를 섬정이 닝부 매바 섬으로 튼다시다 매대바 야나지 루야 매버를 치다 간다 다 가시 자꾸 직딩 자와 가시 내용이 걸어 내일산 제가 제도는 려동으로 제비미네 다디 진짜 려동 제 매주 제바 코로나랑 된다 매버지 코로나랑 판배 자와지를 봐 코로나디 매주 제야 코로나 아니 아주 짙게 가수에 판과 쿠리아기 레가지 제대기 왜 인두산 근데 뭐 당번에 맞으는가 소리 좀 받으셔야 엄마를 나도 인두산 얘야 매주 지유의 미유디 다다지 가서 튜니 예버지다 지구 예버지 다 늦지 있는 면사 이제 양고 가서 삼동화디 계속 주면도 삼정이
So here, defeat or victory aside, first one needs to clarify to oneself that the goal or the pursuit that one is pursuing is truly meaningful, truly purposeful, and that one has to sort of thoroughly understand and sort of come to fine tune with it, because in the world, many of the things that people pursue in the world, to begin with, one should know it's meaningless. To begin with, one should know that one can't fulfill these kind of things. So then when you pursue something which is totally, meaningless, and that, there's no meaningful result, no satisfactory result is going to come out of it, then the question of defeat doesn't even arise, because already you are pursuing something that is defeat. That is defeat already. And, anything, there's already defeat of any purpose. So in this way, that if what one is pursuing is something realistically meaningful, purposeful, then to whatever degree one will reap, the corresponding result. So that most important is one pay attention to the reality and then sort of like actually what it is that one is pursuing and the very truth of it. There's only saying 3 more questions. What is devotion for you and how to generate it? Yes, that's what is devotion for you and how to generate it. Buddha said everything is impermanent. Is that including karma? Karma also impermanent?
Of course. Everything is changing, impermanent. But impermanent not means it's not existing or karshwa. It's will karshwa. When you are drodi or you are drodi, that is meava chandore. Korele kora, you are drugi, mutin de order. That is what the desire. Impermanent inza, and a casada. That is it, that what they're renting out. 아. 이네. 인수. 인수. 따이. 미다바 이나다 파시 가수 영암 가수에 다 가수다. 더보다 그랬어요. 다들 유한 로그레스. 근데 그냥 하고 메스라.
Not quite sure what your doubt is, but yes, everything changes, and so yes, karma is impermanent, but that doesn't mean it doesn't occur. Impermanent doesn't mean it doesn't occur. Impermanent means it changes. And then change has also some form of that while changing, there is also the change has some aspect of continuity also.
Second last.
In the 21st century, how should one recognize one's guru?
One's group.
21st century.
21st century. Then the last one, last question. 야, 근데 아, 찍으려고. 나다 대배우다. 나한테만 돼.
The next question is, as a mother, the mother of Milarepa took bad karma. How can one be a good mother without interfering in the child's destiny?
Okay. That is enough. 나 당부들이야 디 뒤름 니즈지 봐. 다 뒤름 니즈지 베게 가르쳐 버렸잖아. 다 뒤름 니즈지 바디 간다 아주지 시행 뒤름 세나라도. 그 체리 뒤름 도 차디요 알아. 제가 오만은 신체네지. 람록수지 부어지 줘야디. 람록수를 줘 봐. 그 룩수 대지 줘야죠. 다 뒤바지 깔아 합시다 해서. 같이 근데 용구를 다 임비네 미망치야디. 안다 간다지 균제시에 뱉어. 마치 남바 상계와 코랑게 마치 순도에 인지미지 균제시에 뱉어는 사람도. 니루 거에 토하네 냠내 지하지 마도 니루 하먹어 균제 마시에 발 냠내 지당지 남바 상계 위쇼나 바지 여바네. 다 임비네 다고 람도스르 대지 존도도 지금 르르르 유서 봐다. 안 레인주산에 나바사기 베쇼나 데송고 나시 아주 뒤름 니즈지 번 니나로 아주 든데지 뭐 니즈 라랭 토알임비냐 니루 유즈 셰베 토네 라마지 템베 임비네 니루 유즈 셰베 토네 라마 대아시 마도베 안다가스 잘로 진주르지 가서 지기 제래야 람루즈 제수 담마 야나지 다지 민다 착바 진짜게 제수 잡아도 좀 많이 붙여 니로 유지 셰베 토네 아 간다 내뒤 학고에 토네 제거하디 계속 시라래셔서 또 정도 라바르도 다들이 계획신이지 때말라 계획신이 친이 가져이마 아 계획신인데 다 친이들 때마치 되는지 녀베이냐 될래야 삼절 니기관의 딘수 근제이마 다들 하고 삼바도 저외권 개회신인데 수치도 외권은 땡고 봐 다들 하고 맞아 안 개회신이지 신이 되면 예 되면 집이 평가만 해 그봐 나 개회신이지 제가 신이 가림이 하고 그냥 다 되게 상황을 롭종을 제거해야지 뭐 당번에 롭종을 제거해야지 하고 봐야지 근데 하고에서 롭종 제배 토안에 아니지 개회신이지 신이 되면 제거하러 지지래샤 내인두산에 대균셀 때는 딱 롭종을 제 하고 된도록 제 이제 그 토안의 개회신이 되면 된 거야 개심시라래 섬적이
So the 21st century is known for being an age of a lot of increase of awareness in terms of all forms of learning, be it in the field of science and other fields of knowledge. And so therefore, we can't just simply go by sort of some existing, custom and try to sort of impose that on somebody. And we have to do it with understanding, with intelligence, with knowledge. For instance, in the teachings of the Buddha, actually, the Buddha has time and again emphasized very strongly that the teachings needs to be examined, thoroughly sort of checked or examined. And not only checked and examined, and having sort of the facts, cleared to one, that one clearly understand the facts. And then, having examined and having seen, the meaning and the facts, then to embrace them, to practice them, and not just simply sort of gullibly approaching it. So therefore, that it is discouraged to pursue, spiritual path or practice simply because of customs or prevailing customs, or following somebody because other seems to be following, sort of following the flock away or gullibly, or just because of some name tag or whatever it is. And so these obviously, one can't afford to do that, as well as one shouldn't do it because one has the ability for discernment, ability for intelligence. So in this way, whether it's in the case of oneself or helping somebody else, so one should encourage the discerning approach. One should encourage that actually that learning the facts before getting involved with one, whatever one gets involved with. Connecting with the spiritual master, then one needs to realize how important it is for one to be connected with the spiritual master. And in that case, then it is equally important or even more important for one to know what should be the good qualities or characteristics of a spiritual teacher, and learning about it. Not just simply, following, like one lacks these kind of abilities. So, examining if a teacher has these qualities that a spiritual teacher is supposed to have. And then realizing having a spiritual teacher is only one part of it, and that having a spiritual teacher is not, alone not good enough. Then one's approach to the spiritual master. What are the approaches of a student, correct approach of a student towards a spiritual teacher? What should be the motivation? What should be the attitude? And what should be understanding in this relationship? And so in this way, that sort of developing the relationship But prior to that, one needs to really sort of learn, study what are the necessary things that one need to know. So this approach is through understanding it through knowledge, and then pursuing, in this case, spiritual path is extremely important.
지준 밀레레베기 욤디에다 지 두자 가사 두자사다 하소다 당기지 랭에 참진 상도서 기지 저러다 이내 안 가서 들리스고 마다야 기지 신다시 지준 밀레레발이야 다간다 아마 가르에다 딘지지기 가르에 다양 디측디야 고로자마 다양 디측 다들 간을 나오다 하대 레라우지 라돼 지den기 간다르지 전두년경서 랍산 정말 전두년경 다 저기 차와 숙심부터 매비미나 다가나 아마들이 매비나 아니 지준밀레레바 들이지 요한도 요 아마스 지준밀레레바 다 들이지 요한데 조직데 겐직데 개치주제데 다 아마디 겐체제들이 충분히 다들이 시에고 봐 다들이 인도서 초진에 대해 대시야 내 말에 아메 디버사도 땅 말에 네 초진에 아마지 응원의 시합이나 부디 간다르지 내가 도와주자 땅샤 버스 다 초진이 제비입니다 초진은 삼담입니다 텔레덴시에 지준밀레레베 미진나로다 로종 망보시대 로종 망보시대 에네 그 가수에 미진나로 중대 망보지 쇠야지 충분히면 너들의 인주산에 다 파매기 지 부글이야 원래는 당 아주 삼매기 저와를 지 파마 삼매기 저와래 부디 아버 총나 삼바다 버지다 뒤놈 삼부 총나 삼바다 버지 다이는 뒤놈 삼부 사야지 총나 삼바다 들어가서 저와 잡지 단 뒤놈 삼부 사야지 용도 아까라 하bre 삼삼 뒤놈 삼부 용아 체도 베나 부 랍들 땅 랍들 침베 난땅 로저 차 땅들 제비 이네양 자기는 자산 준비 이네양 아고 오늘은 준비에 콜라야 나 삼부 준비지 용아 매부터 이게 니 주이네야 안 보시다요 다들이 쪼데 가라서나 지주밀레레베 아마는시 간다르 미진 알로리아 코랑기 소수기 다 파마 소수 부르디즈기 아는원에 미지기 냠뇽 태도지다 미진 알로 럽존 태도지 가르소다 지 지den기 니루 베나 가교당 아지 가와다 교와다 지 미다바다 다는 신기 다 지den기 니루디소 뭐 쳐베 체제 간다르 부디기 가수에 셈리아 간다르 가수에 다 지den기 가수에다 조단 시베즈 마세베 다 간다 지den사 간다 지베 다 간다 지 고아사는 다도 지den사 다 간다 지지도 롭존 대도 버치아지 롭존 사는 아주 다 랍들 당 롭존 체사도 메비체 뭐 니주 토리아 소외 틀이야 아주 여기 다 간다 롭존 대도 버치당 디토리아 창롱용도 지 르비 창롱래 지 섬기 창롱 체지 용투야 이제 지금 체는 배주 체과데 개점으로 좀 해서 마부샤시 지금 다 내일 참사하자 것을
just a little bit about Milarepa's mother having accumulated bad karma. Maybe that is not necessarily seen in that way. Maybe it is seen more likely in other ways, sort of from the point of view of the whole picture, as opposed to sort of a segment of it. And uh, that it is probably that the mother's the strong sense of the need to fulfill her wish that has been also in some way played part in the complete development of the life of Milarepa. Sometimes in the world, we talk about, it's a reality from a relative worldly point of view, and that it is necessary to defeat, enemies and protect loved ones. That's in a worldly context, that's a matter of reality, and if one is able to achieve that, that is an achievement. And so, from the worldly context, one cannot deny that. And then also, from the point of view of the sort of the bigger picture, in general, of course, all parents, certainly most parents, would want to have the best for their children down the road in the future. And but of course, creating that good future is not totally in one's hand. Sometimes, in the hopes of creating the best for the future of one's child, what you do, send them to school and get them educated and so forth. And at the end, certainly, it still doesn't turn out to be what sort of one has invested, in or invested for. And so, obviously, education, in the sense of the sort of linear learning, is not just only the education, because in the greater arena of the world, where all one's experiences of life is played out, whether those sort of high moments or low moments, very sad and very happy situations, and it is in one's interest that one gets sort of first-hand education, or rather training, in the ways of the world, world-wise, worldly wise or world-wise, in terms of first-hand experience of how to live life in the world, how to face challenges. That is, in fact, more important aspect of the education than that of just simply education in the form of the intellectual knowledge and qualifications. And so more of a sort of comprehensive way of approach. And anyway, in short, it is true. There is actually more chances that one will learn lessons and live one's life in a more meaningful way when one is able to personally face the different difficulties and challenges of the world. So sometimes that is also becomes necessary as opposed to just our maybe conventional way of thinking.
Tenda dodo shen mizi kedang le chi mizi korangi how to live life similar tele chi karu mizi korang da ngode sen da do mizi korang tenda hakodi mizi korang what is the life similar that di gozo ga di gejum meros that the jesha.
So maybe the in short, the point making is that, of course, how to live one's life, it's an important element, but maybe more than that or before that is, what is life? What is really one's life about? and therefore how to live that life meaningfully is more important to take note of.